first hike of the season. Feeling pretty good. Had a couple of runs before, so it's about like 400 meters and like 300 meters elevation. Fun fact to know also, it's also a natural reserve owned by McGill University, and they do a lot of research related to wildlife and nature in general. So we have some white-tailed deer. I don't think we can see them from here, but oh. So here we got a tree and I fell along right into the trail. Oh, hop. Damn, we got crushed. It's pretty impressive though. We get to cross a nice little bridge like these. This one is called Ruisseau. Couple trees like a cut down. Another big tree that fell down. We got the racinated. I don't know if it's a word in English, but you know, it's pretty impressive. Probably like 180 meters high, so yeah, it's pretty impressive. And there's another tree growing inside of it. You're gonna get overtaken by some 50-year-old trail runner. Just look easy for them while you're out here just walking and straddling. Like bro's twice my age, just acting like it's a little jog, little warm-up. Damn. Little water break. Yeah. Stay hydrated. Starting there. Steep part. We got some little stairs, it's nice. Kind of rough on the legs. Not too bad though. Yeah, Pinette de Pain Blanc. We're at 341 meters. It's not that hard, but you know, for a first hike, it's you know, it's tough on the lungs. Yeah, even though we're at only like maybe 400 meters, you can already see the alpine vegetation with the moss and the little herbs. So yeah. So I finally made it to the summit of Mont Saint-Hilaire, or actually a Rocky summit. From up there you can see the city of Mont Saint-Hilaire, Belleuil, and the Rivière-Richelieu right in the middle. Then yeah, I just chilled there a couple of minutes, then headed back down on my way to the second summit, which is Dieppe. We just did the first summit, which is Rocky, and on my way to the second one, which is Dieppe. It's not too far away, maybe like 15 minutes. So Another fact I like about the Mont Saint-Hilaire is you know, it's close to the city, but it's really isolated, so it's easy to just disconnect from reality. All you hear is the bird noise, just wildlife, the wind going through the leaves and stuff. So, you know, no car noise or anything. So it's, and you don't have to drive like hours and stuff. So, got a bit of a rock climbing. Or scramble. We're here. We're at the summit, Dieppe. So, welcome to Dieppe Summit. From up there, we can see Mont Saint-Bruno, and then right behind it's Montreal with all the skyscrapers, and Montreal right behind it. Then on my way down, I got lucky, saw another white-tailed deer. He wasn't as scared as the two others, but I tried to not disturb him too much. And yeah, finally I was on my way to the last summit, which is Pain de Sucre. On my way to the last summit, Pain de Sucre, which means sugar bread in English. So yeah, feeling pretty good. It's a good little hike. Doesn't feel tired. So we're arriving at the last beach for Pain de Sucre. It's right west. It doesn't look steep on camera, but I can tell you it's no joke. Like it looks like it's up there, you know. So as I was walking, I walked past that weird looking device, and I'm really curious to know what is actually is, and if anyone knows, let me know in the comment. I'm really curious. It's just full of rocks and mud, so because there was a lot of rain in the past couple of days. There was a lot of rain, so it's kind of tiring, but it's a good training for the legs, for the lungs. So I ran out of battery on the way down, but yeah, made it to the parking lot. It was a nice little hike, and might do a little more. So stay tuned for the next videos.